Hello everyone, my name is Eric and I'm a developer based in Germany, and I've been talking to my girlfriend about having children for some time. We've been going back and forth about what their names would be, because I am from Latin America, she's from Russia, but we live in Germany, so it's a bit of a long research, and that's why I built Babybase. And Babybase is basically Tinder for baby names. I will go directly into the demo here while I explain what it does. So it's a vector search recommendation engine, um, that goes through the preferences of the father and the mother. Then it does vector search for the most similar names based on the preferences and the embeddings that we have. So for example, here for the father, we go for boy. We want mother names. Short is better. Historical significance, somewhat important. Then yeah, Spanish, let's say German, and maybe English names. Great. So yeah, live in Germany. Then we start. Yeah, I don't like this name. Kyle, maybe. Major content. No. Arno. Maybe Kaden. One. Nope. But okay. Yes. Diego. Yes. Brendan. All right. And over here we have the mother. So let's just create a new account. So let's say. Okay. All right, so the mother is going to select boy again. Of course, this goes wrong if she selects another one. Let's say she has different opinions, right? So she wants more classic names. Um, so she wants longer names, historical significant, yeah, very important. And of course, she wants Russian and English names. And that's it. Okay, so she also lives here with me. Okay, and then we can select, we can invite the partner. So yeah, she's going to invite me. All right, and yeah, so her deck is slightly different at the beginning, but it will just get shared with the father as soon as they reload. So here, as you can see, the father is already also linked with the mother. So Elliot, yeah, let's say yes, yes. So just to make it easier, yes, let's to make it easier. Let's start swiping yes on everything with the mother. And here as well. Yes, great. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so now we have a lot of matches. As you can see here, they are, yes, 59% fit according to my answers. In the case of her, yeah, so similar. So we have a shared taste vector that is the main driver of all of these names. So her deck is shared with is mixed with my deck. Both of our answers are respected, and I can move things. I can move the names to finalists. So finalists is a list that has the names that we want to see or are interested into the most. Also, we have phonetic features in the embeddings. So when I say more like this, I can see similar names based on the tags and the backgrounds and so on. And if I click sounds like, I can also see names similar to, in this case, Roberto is Rocco, Romeo, Richard, Leonardo. So phonetic wise, they're similar to Roberto. And there's also a way to explore which kind of names you actually like, not just based on your answers, but also based on what you're swiping with your partner. So as we can see, we actually like Germanic names a little bit more, Irish and English, not so many Russian names so far. Here in Explore, we will see the neighborhoods and yeah, how clustered the names are. So this will be further delivered. We have just really touched the tip of the iceberg regarding names. There's so many features we can further explore. All of this was, of course, thanks to Qdrant in background. It's a small free cluster that I'm running, and I can maybe show you quickly the logs here. So this is yeah, what's happening in the background. So there's calls, there's a bunch of recommendations, and so on. Well, there's a very yeah, comprehensive technical breakdown here, if you, in case you're interested in how everything's working. Django in the backend and React in the frontend with embeddings from AWS, Nova, sorry, Titan embeddings. Thank you very much.